Well, just fertilizing. I'm just fertilizing these impatiens. I planted these in the other day, and I put fertilizer on them this morning, and you can see how they're turning out. I transplanted these from a few plants that I already had. And it's just the little things that you do that count. Just the little things. Remember, it's the little things that you do. You don't have to do everything all at once, but just do it little by little, and it'll add beauty and peace in your life. So that's what we're doing. We're adding a little beauty and a little peace and a quiet space. And also it'll bring in the butterflies and the bees, the flowers. So you have a greater harvest, a greater crop. So just remember, it's the little things that you do that bring joy, peace, and happiness in your life. And also your garden will love it as well. Well, anyway, this is Willie. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again real soon. Bye-bye.